Hi everybody, my name is Tom Solid. I'm the founder of the Paperless movement and I'm so excited today. Why? Because recently we reached 10,000 subscribers and this is awesome. Just imagine. September 2017 I uploaded my very first video about going paperless with the iPad Pro and the Apple Pencil, and since then I got so much good feedback and people out there been pushing, and we just started this Facebook group and it's so awesome how this community grows. I'm really honestly excited about this. If you're in this Facebook group, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You ask a question, it doesn't matter what, anything paperless related, you will get an answer within minutes. This community is awesome. I'm learning so much from it too. Therefore, I want to give you a big thank you. And a big thank you is one lucky winner will get an iPad 2018 plus an Apple Pencil on top. And this giveaway is all about just spreading the word. Tell people that we are here, that we are the paperless movement and we are committing to go paperless together. And it's easy, just go to the link in the description. There you can join the giveaway. So members of you who already did giveaways in the past in my channel know how this will work, but no worries, everything will be explained in there. A winner will be picked automatically. A random winner from the entries will be picked. You can increase your chances, you will see this in the competition there, you will increase your chances by sharing the competition. So that's all you have to do. Spread the word and tell people that you are part of the paperless movement and encourage others to join us too. I wish you all the luck in the world to win this. Obviously, it's only one person who can win this. However, what you will win is new friends, new people who are committing to going paperless, who are struggling with the same problems as you do out there. We are in the beginning of the paperless area, so join us now and we will go this journey together.